Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Hope you guys are doing well today. For this video, I'm gonna be doing some box braids. I just washed my hair and did a little facial in the meantime. By the way, this is how my hair is looking right now. I like how healthy it is, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing and see if I could get some lengths. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and add my products, blow dry my hair, and I'll be back. Okay y'all, so now that my hair is all blown out, I'm gonna go ahead and part it from ear to ear. Before starting with the back of my hair, I just want to show you guys real quick the hair that I'm going to be using today. It's in this package right here, and I got it from Amazon. I bought it myself and let me take it out the pack, show you guys what it looks like, and tell you how much pieces or how many packs are in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna also open this one up. So as you can see at the bottom of the hair, it does have a blunt cut. It's not stretched, so I'm gonna have to stretch it myself. It doesn't smell bad, but I don't like the smell. But anyway, I also don't like the way the hair feels, and I thought I would be in love with it, but anyway, I'm still gonna use it. It feels like plastic. I mean, I know it's synthetic, but I've had synthetic hair that feels better. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and stretch the hair. I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I stretch it. So I'm gonna divide the hair like this, then I'm gonna put it back, then I'm gonna divide it again in another section, put it back, and I'm gonna keep doing this for a while until it's no longer blunt at the bottom. Already you can see it's starting to shape up, or it's starting to stretch. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is what it's looking like now at the ends. I'm not gonna stretch it any more than this because I don't want to have it too long, or I don't want to ruin the hair. It feels weird talking with my back turned to you guys. I guess that's something I'm gonna have to get used to. But anyway, I applied some gel onto the back of my hair before I went ahead and take out my first row. Each time when I part my hair, I like to add more gel, and then I go back over it with my comb just to get a nice clean straight parting. Now I'm going to take my first piece of hair out that I'm going to be doing my braid on. So as you can see here, I grabbed the entire section of my hair with the hand that I'm holding the synthetic hair in, and then I start to maneuver my fingers in between my hair just to make sure that even pieces of my hair get into the synthetic hair. When you're doing the braids, you want to make sure that you grab it directly at the root and you do not pull on it, because if you pull on it, you're going to pull the synthetic hair off the root of your hair. And I see a lot of people are having problem with that, and ask me how to get the hair staying at the root and not pulling away from it. So yeah, you just want to grab it directly in the root and try not to pull on the hair, because it's still not tight enough in there for you to start pulling on it.
So
So guys, in order to prevent any flyaway hair from sticking out the braids, you have to make sure you have enough gel on it, moisturize it good enough, and also braid it tight enough. I keep getting asked this question, so that's the reason why I'm telling you right now. Now moving on to the second one, and for this row I'm going to be doing 3 braids. You want to also make sure you add enough gel to the roots of the hair to give it that nice sleek professional look to it. Again, you want to hold your hair nice and tight at the roots using the hand that's already holding the synthetic hair. Then you're going to move your fingers through it while braiding it and get even pieces of your natural hair into where the synthetic hair is. By the way, I will show you guys soon how I split the hair and loop it to start the braids. Guys, as you can see here, I'm just sectioning my hair, making sure that I have even sections before I start braiding it, because I wouldn't want to start braiding it and some of the sections are bigger than others. Then I would be so mad and be taking them back out. So I like to do this before I start braiding them. I don't do it all the time, but when I do it, I see that it works better for me than when I don't. So I'll do it whenever I get a chance, or I'll do it whenever I feel like it. Again, you want to add some jam onto the area that you're gonna start adding your braid in, and this will help to smooth out the hair and make the synthetic hair blend very well with your natural hair. So guys, usually when I get up to the top here, parting them straight down messes up the size for me. So I like to do like a little triangle going from the middle over to the left and the middle over to the right. Okay guys, so we're up to the front and I'm gonna go ahead and take out my first section here. I'm adding some jam so you know, we get that nice clean straight parting like we should. And I think I'm just gonna do one here. So since I promised you guys that I would show you how I split the hair and loop it to start the braids, let's do that. So you want to split it like this, with one side bigger than the other, like you see me doing here, and then loop it around each other like this. So the side that was smaller will come together and make one, and then the other two pieces will separate like that. Now I'm going to loop the hair around my finger. First I'm going to put my pointing and middle finger through it like that. Now I'm going to take this piece over here and I'm going to bring it around the back of my finger like that, and bring it in like so. So now I have the hair ready to braid into my hair. I'm going to show you guys again one more time, so just look. So this is the small pieces that I put together. Put my 2 fingers through here, then I'm going to put this one behind them and throw it like that, and now I'm ready to start my braid just like that. Okay guys, we are up to the final one and I'm so excited. So let's get this out the way. You already know how I do. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the ends here off camera, and then I'll come back and continue from there. So guys, these are the hair that I'm gonna be attaching into my hair with what I already have. I roll them onto these rollers, and I'm gonna put them in hot water so they could curl up. And here I curl the ends of the braids that I'm wearing to put them into hot water, and I'm just waiting for the water to boil so I could dip them in there, and I'll get back on the regular camera after I do this. So this is what we're working with so far. I took the rollers off and this is what it looks like. So as for the ones that I had on the rollers, I put them inside of this stocking cap and then I dipped them down in the hot water to get the curls on them. I feel like it would be easier to put them in and take them out, so that's the reason why I put them in here. So now I'm going to take them off and put them into my hair. Look at how beautiful and bouncy these curls are. Look at that. I love it. So let's go ahead and put them in. So I'm going to use a crochet needle, and this one came with the hair. So I'm going to just stick it right under my hair like so. And then I'm going to put this on it. Then I'm going to close it. Bring it back through. Actually, I want it on the bottom, so I'm going to put it on the bottom like so. Boom. And loop it through, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this with all the 15 pieces of hair that I have. Put them in. So I just realized I didn't show you guys the hair on here, me taking it off. So here we go. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen, but it did. So yeah, this is what it looks like now. This, I would say, is like the hardest part of doing my hair today, but it is so worth it. I'm not even gonna complain. Here I'm just adding some mousse onto it, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil onto my scalp. Okay guys, I'm all done with the hair, so you know what's next, some makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Hey guys, we are back with the finished look. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love the way it turns out. I was a little bit skeptical of the hair in the beginning when I started. Like I said, it felt very plasticky but it came out good. I am not mad at all, and they do have other colors on the website, which is Amazon, where I got it. And so I think I'm gonna try different colors. Like there's a green one that I saw up there that I want to try. I will link the hair down in the description box so you guys could find it if you want to. I do apologize, I haven't been posting braiding videos now for a while, but over the holidays I just have some stuff going on where, you know, we got our pipe burst in the house and we were staying in hotels and stuff like that. So, you know, stuff like that complicate things and, you know, prevent me from doing what I want to do. But anyway, I will try my best to post more braiding videos because you guys are asking for them. I try to set a schedule for Wednesdays and Saturdays for posting dates, but sometimes I don't get to post on those days. Sometimes I end up posting like 3 videos in a week, even though I want to be doing 2 videos in a week. But I don't mind posting 3 videos, and when I post 3 videos it's because I have a lot of videos to post. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know and I will try my best to bring them. If there's any questions you have pertaining to braiding and stuff like that, let me know also, and I will try to put them in my upcoming braiding video. If you find this video helpful, guys, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.